Field Service Management, or FSM, is a system for the organization and optimization of operations that are performed outside the office by field personnel that have a mission to complete for customers. Field employees usually are technicians, engineers, or other experts. Our team offers deep expertise to our customers as Praxedo is specialized software focused on FSM that has been delivering constant innovation since 2005. Common examples of field service includes installation, repair and maintenance, technical customer support, regular inspections, and so on. Service orders mostly occur multiple times per day and are assigned and scheduled by a coordinator, a supervisor, or a dispatcher. Typical industries that have field service are telecommunications, utilities, oil and gas, manufacturing, construction, property management, etc. We're currently looking at the homepage of Praxedo, which is the schedule of your team at a glance. Between the configurable dashboards and the interactive schedule, this page provides real-time updates based on what your team is doing in the field, with the ability to make scheduling changes right here in the calendar. While Praxedo will be the source of truth when it comes to field service management, we will first start in Microsoft Business Central. This is where one would create a sales order, which would ultimately correspond to a work order in Praxedo. First, you would choose your customer, then specify this is a work order to be dispatched to a field team by toggling on the work order option. Then choose the work order type from a drop-down that corresponds with Praxedo. Any items that are expected to be used during the work order can be added to the sales order with their expected quantity. Finally, specify the location of the work to be performed and send to Praxedo. Once you receive a success notification, the sales order will show the work order status as qualified, meaning it has been created in Praxedo and the synchronization was successful. In Praxedo, the work order will be generated with all its customer and site data, as well as the corresponding work order type and the expected items for the job. Now, we can go about scheduling, which Praxedo has a variety of ways to do. So what does this look like from a text point of view? In the mobile app, they'll see work orders that have been assigned to them by synchronizing their phone. Once the full work order report has been populated and validated, the tech can then complete the work order itself by clicking the blue check mark in the top right-hand corner. This will send all the information back to the web for review and gray out the work order on the mobile app. There's one final step before sending this information back to update the sales order in Business Central. Supervisors, admin, or other web users with the correct permissions have the ability to review and make any final edits to the data collected in the field from the Praxedo web interface. This includes the full activity report and the work order report with all the pictures and signatures added as well. Finally, they can see the distinction between the expected items and the actually consumed items on site. Once validated, this work order has completed its life cycle in Praxedo, and the information will flow back to Business Central to update the sales order accordingly. Here you'll see the updated status, as well as the consumed items, and a unique URL to the report generated from the work order in Praxedo, summarizing the work completed on-site.